Hi, 7th grade. This is your modification for vocabulary instruction. And you will have this on Thursdays and Fridays. You will have time to work on it on Thursday and Fridays. And it's due the following Monday. And I did that on purpose so that you will have time over the weekend to work on it if needed. Okay. If you made a 69 or lower on the pretest, you're going to do 5 level 1 activities. And these activities are the games, the tests that are found on Quizlet. Okay, once again, the activities I'm referring to are found on Quizlet, and the Quizlet link is in your lesson on the page for the vocabulary directions. Okay, if you made a 70 on the pretest, you're going to do 4 level 2 activities. That means you leveled up. So you're not working on whatever list I have for level 1, you leveled up to level 2. If you made an 80 or in the 80s on the pretest, do 3 level 2 activities. If you made 90s on the pretest, do 2 level 2 activities. And if you made 100 on the pretest, you only have to do 1 level 2 activity. Okay? So, have fun. Talk to you soon.